Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'll show you how to split your screen on Windows. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tutorials. First, open the two windows or apps you want to work with. Here I'm gonna open the Chrome browser and the Brave browser. Now click and hold the title bar of one of the windows and drag it to the left or right edge of your screen until you see a transparent outline. Here I'm gonna choose it. Now let go of the mouse this way and the window will snap to one side. On the other side of the screen, you will see thumbnails of your other open windows. Click on the one you want to fill the other half of the screen. Here I'm gonna choose it again. And that's it. You have successfully split your screen on Windows. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe to Mr. TechFox for more quick tech tips. But wait, I have a tip for you. If you want to split the screen into more than two sections, drag a window to the corner of the screen and it will snap to a quarter of the screen, like this way. So I hope you understand all of the things I have done. See you next time.